Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa, and today is one of those days that Appa don't know what to cook. As a home cook, I'm sure one of the biggest problems is sometimes we really don't know what to cook. And today, what I did just now was I just want to finish off clearing the fridge of some of my ingredients. So therefore, I have some red chili. This is the final piece, and this is a final piece of spring onion. And then somehow I found one piece of long bean and some onion, yellow onion. And then I also took out some chicken. This is probably about 500 grams of chicken parts, Thai and mixed with wings. And I try to cut it into smaller pieces. Why? Because I'm thinking of deep frying my chicken first. Then somehow I will cook these two together. As of now, as we are talking now, I don't know how to mix this together yet. I haven't decided. So let's you follow my video and we will see how it goes in the end. So let's very easily marinate the chicken. Going to give it a little bit of oyster sauce, not too much, because this will make it very dark later. And few dashes of this is my premium Vietnamese fish sauce. This is a bit of Shao Hsing wine. Of course, for those who doesn't take alcohol, you just no need to put the Shao Hsing wine. No need to find replacement also. And we're going to give it a few dashes of white pepper. Mix it up like this, and leave it aside. We shall go and prepare the oil for deep frying. So we are going to use medium heated oil to deep fry the chicken, somewhere around 140 to 150 degrees Celsius. Ooh, already I can smell it's very fragrant. Many people always like to ask Appa, what happened? You always use a lot of oil. So what do you do after you have deep fried the ingredient? Well, depending, if the oil is still very clear, then I will actually sieve out the extra substance, and then I will actually keep the oil for one more round, maximum, one more round of usage. This is after like 1 minute plus. Oops. Okay, flip it over. Nice, beautiful char. Actually, the char comes from oyster sauce. If you don't put the oyster sauce, you won't get char so easily. If you put light soya sauce, it will get char even faster. So you decide what kind of effect you really wanted. This is your home cooking. There's no rules in Appa kitchen. I'll probably want to cook this until it is fully cooked, which will take us probably somewhere around 5 minutes plus minus. Key in the comment section below. Let Appa know what are you cooking for your family tonight. For those who doesn't know, all the 1,000 videos on my channels are all my family dinners. Yes, Appa actually cook dinner for my family. I try to cook at least 4 to 5 times a week so that they don't have to eat outside too often. And Appa always upload minimum 4 videos every week: Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday night, Malaysian time, 7 p.m. Why this frequency? Because I was hoping that when people see Appa cooking, you will also feel like cooking, yeah, just to inspire those who don't mind to cook for their family. As I noticed, many people, especially in bigger cities like Kuala Lumpur, a lot of people almost eat outside every day. Number one, you can't control what you are eating when you are eating outside. Number two, the food is simply getting so expensive nowadays outside. Yeah, so try to cook at home. Almost there. I just want to make it a little bit more drier. This is my personal preference. Then we can take it out. This is after cooking, deep frying for approximately 5 minutes, 5-6 minutes under medium high heat. And we see the beautiful caramelized color on the chicken. It's actually fully cooked. or at least about 90%. I will take it out, put on top of an oil absorbing paper at the side. This is already very fragrant. So this is what we have right now. Next thing, I'm going to deep fry the veggie. So we're going to maintain the high heat or medium high. I'm putting the veggie. I'll deep fry everything besides the red chili. Now, you don't have to do this for long, just probably about 20-30 seconds, then you can just take it out. Alright, I will take it out. See how beautiful it is. So this is what you get. You have the fried chicken, you have some fried veggie, and my red chili is here. Right, let's make the sauce. Let's start with giving it some oil. And I'll put in about 1 teaspoon of Taucu. You can use either salted or sweetened Taucu, should be fine. Good if you can put in some garlic and ginger. I'm lazy today, so I'm just going to put in some fried garlic instead. Still, it will give it a garlic flavor. But fried garlic can get burnt easily, so you want to turn down to medium, low heat. Right, now we get the flavor out. I'm going to add in some chicken stock. This chicken stock is actually made using my cooking appa 100% chicken stock powder. You can get it from Singapore and Malaysia Shopee. 0 MSG, 0 preservative. Okay. Just put a bowl of some hot water and put 1 teaspoon of the powder. Then immediately 2 seconds, it will become chicken powder. Chicken stock. You have a very aromatic chicken stock right now. And now we want to give it some flavor. Season this. A little bit of oyster sauce. Few dashes of my Vietnamese fish sauce. Few dashes of white pepper. A little bit of salt. And a bit of sugar. Now you can raise the heat. Give it a bit of color. I'm going to add in some dark soya sauce and also a bit of the beanie flavor, yeah, the soya bean flavor. Now you can see it's actually started to thicken up by itself. I'm not going to put in any starch. Next thing, we will put in the fried chicken and also the veggie. Give it a few stir and it is done. This is mouth-watering, even though I don't know what is this called. In China, they call this jiang shao. Yeah, jiang shao. Jiang meaning is the fermented bean paste. Done. There you go. So this is my jiang shao ji. Yeah, jiang shao ji in English it should be called, I don't know. Can someone help me and put it in the comment section? I don't know what I'd cook, but it's still going to taste very good. If you like my video, do share my video out on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.